socket screw holes using these special plugs made by Kreg tools. When they're driven in, they're still a little bit proud of the face. One of the ways that we'll take a look at doing that will be by taking a laminate trimmer with an offset base so that we can reach right up into the corner, and we'll set the bit on the laminate trimmer where it's not quite all the way down flush with the base. If we'd been doing this on the outside, any router would allow us to do that. I'll go with that router now. This is the special router that I was talking about. What it actually is an offset base that's just put on a standard laminate trimmer. Now, what I'll be doing is laying this piece of plywood on top of the surface I'm working with, and it's critical, I hope you can see, that the bit is just ever so slightly back of the face of the piece of plywood. Now these plugs are going to paint, but Kreg offers these plugs in a lot of different species of wood to match if you're doing stain work.